Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable autoplay notifications on your Windows 11 computer. So when you plug in new devices or peripheral items and you get pop-ups asking what you want to do with this new program and this new drive, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off those notifications, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by right-clicking on the Start button and select Settings. Go ahead and select the System option, and then on the right side you want to go select Notifications. You can also search for notifications as well in the Start menu search. And anyway, now underneath Notifications you want to go select Notifications again. And there should be an option that says, if you go down near the bottom, Notifications from apps and other senders, go ahead and toggle the autoplay to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.